That is pretty murky looking fluid, but holy smokes, look at all these chunks. I've got metallic gear oil, probably not something you want to see, so you are going to be in a world of hurt. Change your fluids. Good to put the jugs, oops, looks like I'm flushing the system now. I forgot to put the drain plug. Today we are doing transmission fluid change on this manual transmission in 2006 Nissan Xterra. Same procedure is for manual transmission Nissan Frontier of the mid to late 2000s. And the tools we need for the job are hex socket. This one is H10. 4 quarts of the gear lube, 75W90, and these guys are helpful to hook them up to the top of the bottle and just manually pump it into the fill hole. Right, so I am under the right side of the vehicle if you're looking forward. Engine is that way, tailpipe is that way. This, my friends, is the fill plug, and that's the one you want to make sure you loosen first. And right underneath there, this is the drain plug. Super easy. Again, don't be tempted to drain it before you're able to open the fill plug, because if this guy is stuck and you drain your tranny, you are going to be in a world of hurt. You've got no way to fill it back up again. So just be advised. Okay, so make sure that your socket's all the way in. Make a nice contact and righty tighty, lefty loosey. I cracked the fill plug loose, and this is where we're gonna go ahead and take it out. I think it would be easier to drain it. Once you have it out, it won't go gulp, gulp, gulp. Here it is, it's draining a little bit. That means I have the truck slightly on the decline. That's why it's draining. Now, the fluid looks a little dirty, not too bad. This one, the fill plug does not have a magnet on it. So now we're gonna loosen the drain plug next. Okay, now we have our drain plug ready to go, so we're gonna loosen that up and let her drain. Hold my beer and watch this. Still dripping from the fill plug, because I have the truck on the incline. Okay, let's see what that fluid looks like and see if the magnet has a lot of debris on it. You ready? Here we go. Oh yeah, that's a yucky fluid. I mean, you can see through it, but, and there's no magnet at the end of the fill plug either, or the drain plug, that is. You're supposed to change this crush washer, so make sure you replace it with that. I'm gonna take my chances, and I simply don't have the replacement, so I will risk it and reuse the same crush washer. So you could see the whole tranny drained really quickly. So we're gonna wait for it to drain all the way and then put the drain plug back on, clean it up, put it back on, and then fill it with some fresh fluid. Now we just gotta make sure that the truck is level, which it is. Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and fill her up. And we're about to set up our pump system, so we're just gonna use this universal pump to put that on top of the quart and then pump that into the fill hole. Got my pump primed. We are ready to rock and roll. So as you can see, here's the fluid. Man, it's like barely clear. Stuff that came out was pretty dark. All right, so we are under the truck. Got the pump set up here. Okay, and we're ready to roll. Now, if you're doing this in the cold weather, it's good to put the jugs, oops, looks like I'm flushing the system now. I forgot to put the drain plug. Okay, at least we got the dirty stuff out of there. Okay, I'm gonna plug that in and then we'll keep going. Okay, the torque spec on both the drain bolt and the fill bolt on a manual transmission for an Xterra and Frontier is 25 foot-pounds. I'm gonna get those tightened up. First, of course, the fill plug, and then we'll do the drain plug for 25 foot-pounds as well. And we're just pumping away. can see the level here. It's a tedious process, but should be done in about 10 minutes, hopefully. It takes about 2-3 minutes to do each bottle. Got 4 of them to fill. All right, we are all done filling her up. She's draining slowly, so once you see that trickle out of the fill plug, you may go ahead and put that fill plug back in and tighten it up to 25 foot-pounds. And we are done, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Follow me on this channel for more projects on this Xterra. All right, guys, let's see what was in my transmission. Ooh, that is pretty murky looking fluid. That definitely needed to be changed. That is not clear at all. I mean, you can't see through it. It is nasty. That was nasty. Okay, I'm glad I changed it. All right, so this is the drain pan after I drained the fluid for disposal. But holy smokes, look at all these chunks that are coming out from the transmission here. This is interesting. I know some of that is normal products wear and tear, but man, oh man. I've got metallic gear oil. It's got a nice little gold metallic sparkle to it. Probably not something you want to see, so boys and girls, change your fluids frequently. Get that gunk out of there so it is not acting as an abrasive and causing any additional wear and tear to your gears and other components. Change your fluids. All right, thanks for watching. We are out.